Hello everyone, today we are going to be making an Earl Grey Martini. We are actually going to be double infusing this recipe. First off, we are going to take our magic butterfly herbal tea and infuse that into our liquor. Go ahead, choose vodka, choose rum, it's kind of up to you. In this recipe, I decided to use rum. And then we are going to be making a simple syrup from our Gratitude Blend black tea. So first off, you're gonna take your cup with some ice. You're gonna go ahead and add your infused liquor. You're going to next add your Earl Grey simple syrup. And then depending on how strong you like it, feel free to add as much cranberry juice as you would like. Next, we are going to shake that baby up. And then we are going to go ahead and take our cup. We are going to strain it using our Plum Deluxe tea strainer. Set that aside. Take a lemon, take two. Use it as a garnish and you will have yourself a gorgeous drink for one. Cheers.